Hi, I'm Sally. For over 30 years, I lived and breathed the financial markets. I've seen crashes that broke people and rallies that made fortunes. But my real success? It wasn't a Wall Street bonus. It was the day I sat my daughter down and showed her how to never depend on a corporate paycheck again. Today, she's financially free, and my grandkids will never have to worry about a 9 to 5. Now, I want to do the same for you. But first, you have to stop looking at charts like they're math problems. They're not. They're conversations. And today, we're learning the most important language of all: candlesticks. Most people download an app, see a green bar, and think, time to buy. Then they see a red one and panic. That's not trading, that's gambling. Every candle you see here is a battlefield. Look at this body, it shows you who's in control. But look closer at these wicks, the little tails. Most traders ignore them, but to me, they're the truth tellers. A long wick at the bottom, that's the market screaming at you that the sellers are exhausted and the big banks are stepping in to push price up. My daughter always says, "Mom, the body is the news, but the wick is the real story." She's right. When you learn to read the wicks, you start seeing the market's next move before it even happens. Here's what Trade King or your local bank won't tell you. The market is driven by two things: fear and greed. When you see those massive red candles, that's pure, unadulterated fear. Most people run away. But as a wise trader, you stay calm. You look for the rejection in those candles. Because where the crowd sees a disaster, the 1% see a discount. Trading isn't about being a genius, it's about being disciplined and understanding human nature. You've just learned the alphabet. In our next lesson, I'm going to show you how these candles come together to form a trend, the wave that will carry you to financial freedom.
I'm Sally, and I'm here to help you own your time. I'll see you in the next one.